everyone, we're going to evaluate the derivative of this equation at a given point by implicit differentiation. This is part 3. Now I could use the chain rule on this left side, but what I'm going to do is use the binomial theorem to expand this side, which you learned probably in pre-cal. So if you expand this, and you could also use Pascal's triangle. So this would be x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. And then we have on this side x cubed plus y cubed. And what makes this nice is when you subtract this from both sides, that's going to go away and equal 0. And you're left with this. And I'm going to go ahead and factor out a 3. And when you divide both sides by 3, that's going to equal 0. So we still have 0 here. So all I have to differentiate now is this middle part. So we're going to differentiate, this is the product rule basically. We're going to get 2x times y, and then you plus x squared times the derivative of y, and that was this first part. And now the second part, we're going to take derivative of y times x, so that's going to be 2x y prime, 2xy times y, the derivative of y, and then plus y squared times the derivative of x, which is just 1. Now, cleaning this up, I'm going to group my derivative parts, my y primes, together. So I'm going to keep them on this side. And I'm going to move these two guys over to the right side. So that's going to be and I'm going to just pull out a negative. So that's going to be y squared plus 2xy. I also can factor out the y prime here. So you can get x squared plus 2xy equals this. Now, so your final answer, when you're going to divide both sides by this, so your final answer is going to be y prime, or derivative of y, equals negative y. I'm pulling out the y, times y plus 2x, and I'm using my highest common factor and pulling out the x. And we're going to evaluate this at negative 1, 1. So, when you do that, we're going to put negative y is 1, so I'm 1 minus 2 over x is negative 1 times negative 1 plus 2. And you clean all that up, and you should get the derivative of y is negative 1. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.